Careface CVP.
Welcome to another episode of Star General Freestyle Tuesday.
CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
CVP, Careface Video Productions.
And they have appealed for 71,000 Jamaican dollars, which is absolutely impossible. So that one I can speak to without fear of contradiction. And I am hoping that the new president of the JPS will deal with this matter and make sure that an explanation is given to the Jamaican people and customers of JPS. And I will be overseeing and making sure that this matter is delivered to its completion.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness of placing a gag order on members of Parliament into allegations of illicit enrichment. The Integrity Commission, in its latest annual report, stated that 8 politicians were being investigated for illicit enrichment. PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell says the opposition has clearly stated that none of its MPs is being investigated. He says the governing MPs should be allowed to say whether they are being investigated for unexplained wealth. PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell. He was speaking at a People's National Party meeting in Manchester Saturday night. The Ministry of Education says it has ramped up the repairs of schools that were severely damaged during the passage of Hurricane Beryl. The ministry has placed nearly 100 schools on its priority list due to the extent of the damage. Most of the schools are located in central Jamaica. Education Minister Fable Williams told Radio Jamaica News that she is trusting the pace of work on the institutions. I've been putting it up on social media. The ministry has been doing that too, to show Jamaica what is happening at these schools and what that is happening. I have all confidence that those schools considered priority 1 schools will be ready for September 2nd. She adds that the ministry has been working with the Jamaica Public Service Company to restore power to affected schools. So we did give JPS a list of all the schools that indicated that they didn't yet have power. Many of those have reported that they do have power now. We will be reviewing that list, by Monday to see if we need to put in some emergency work into those schools, whether it be a generator, however we get it there. If not, we will be putting. Education Minister Fable Williams. Attorney at Law Hugh Small is asserting that Jamaica should not be asking the United Nations to pardon Jamaica's first national hero, Marcus Mosiah Garvey, given the controversial circumstances under which he was convicted in that country. Saturday marked the 136th anniversary of Garvey's birth. Mr. Small says the U.S. is not worthy of being asked to pardon the national hero because he was unjustly convicted. Legal implications to bring the conviction against him, and he was placed
in prison and remain in prison for some time. And I don't think the sovereign state of Jamaica should be asking for a pardon. That implies that he is something reprehensible for which he should be pardoned. I don't think that's properly established.
He says Mr. Garvey's status as a national hero has to do with the work he did to uplift the Jamaican people.
And the work that he has done internationally, both in the United States, in Africa, and throughout the world where black people live, should not be telling down the winds and families of a government that includes people who praise and applaud a man like Trump.
Attorney-at-law Hugh Small. He was speaking yesterday on Radio Jamaica's That's a Wrap. The council chamber at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation building has been renamed in honor of Marcus Garvey. And
Yo! Morning! God no! Morning, sir. Never say God no! Look, see me a blow and stop. Crime I go on, you say? The crime I go on, police can solve it, you know. You know that? It's a money making thing, watch the joke, you know. Man, check me, crime is down on Facebook and the thing. How quick can go for you? No, because I don't know what I said, him and more something there, you know. But they may do a crime, you know. It's harder for them find we, you know. And them go find we individually. Or somebody say over the same live or over the same live, you know. But when you go up on social media, I must say, what people then can leave investigation and cyber crime, you know. Yeah, but remember, you leg of some man, you know. But you easy to find. You leg of some man, you know, where the crime. Them get bail, them get bail and you kill them. Them get bail. But so the human rights them a ball. Yeah. Just so the man say, if you say them got Jamaica. Yeah. And them a make nice over that. And them now make nice over the 19 people were get gunshot. Yeah. And the 8 people were dead. So it is a fighting crime is an unbalanced thing. Yeah, money making thing. You see me? It's a money making thing. And it's an unbalanced thing, because I want to say that, I want to say that, it's a tick-for-tack thing. Yes. Because the news crime is a tick-for-tack. I remember, you know, we go up on social media, you know. Everybody can say, Ray. Yeah. Fine. You go up for finance? And the finance, you go. For Shalimar, you go. Okay. You understand? So, for you look at some man. Because once you know, you people are talking about it and you know, once you sign up on social media, yeah, they have a thing where you're easy to find. Yeah. I don't know people understand. When the boy them come on social media and put out gun and go with gun and But easy to find more than a man. But they don't show it up. Yeah. So you don't know if you have it yes or no. Sure. But when you show it up, it's a definitely a show that they might prove it that yes, he was a gunman because he did that gun. Yeah. Yeah, sure. But the human rights, them don't come out and come and the thing of it, where them talk fan. Them not come out. Them come out and talk fan just to the man to send in Jamaica. Yeah. I got them a talk fan. That must be a come. You walk up and come back. Yeah man, so when you take attack hunger, when we are trying to solve crime, PMP are going to say red, Jamaica are going to say there. When we in a power, we can't solve it. When them in a power, them not solve it. So crime thing is just a hypocritical money making thing. But right now we see someone well wanted. And then put up them picture about and now you see them hold them there. No, but you see, remember them they are run now, you know? Yeah? Them they are running. Yeah. Get deal and
You've just enjoyed some cool music brought to you by Flow. Everyday Carry, Everyday Grow, Everyday Bishop with Flow. We're going to a cool flight pack. Let's start with the departures and then we'll move to the arrivals. I'm Dan Thomas, and the flight is into Caribbean Airways JY 775. It departs Kingston. It's heading to Bridgetown, Barbados at 10 a.m. American Airlines AA863 departs Mobay for Charlotte at 10:15. Caribbean Airlines BW414 out of Kingston heads to Nassau at 11:15 a.m. And we also have JetBlue Airways B62356 departing Mobay for Newark at 11:45 a.m. Cool 97 FM reminds departing passengers to continue listening to us. Anywhere in the world, you can log on to our website. We're inviting you to join us on www.kool97fm.com. The arrivals, Cayman Airways KX600 from Grand Cayman arrives.
I hope you full enjoy this. So you see the next time, get your popcorn. Cause guess what? The thing is
Brought to you
on.
by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.